Life in rainforests. Introduction. A tropical rainforest is a forest of all trees that's warm all year. It's called a rainforest because it usually rains every day. It can rain more than 250 centimeters in one year. Many amazing animals and plants live in rainforests. What do you know about tropical rainforests? How tall is a kapok tree? How long does a sloth sleep every day? How many eyes does a tarantula have? What do hummingbirds drink? Discover, now read and discover more about tropical rainforests. Chapter 1. Tropical rainforests. All the tropical rainforests are near the equator. Most of them are in the tropics. The biggest tropical rainforest is the Amazon rainforest in South America. The second biggest is in Congo rainforest in Africa. South Asia also has lots of tropical rainforests. There are smaller rainforests in Central America, Madagascar, India, Australia, and on the island near Australia. Tropical rainforest covers only about 6% of Earth, but they have 50% of all the different types of animals and plants that we know. About 10 square kilometers of rainforest can have 750 types of trees, 1,500 types of other plants, 400 types of birds, and 150 types of butterflies. Some very big animals live in tropical rainforests. Jaguar and are the biggest cats in the Amazon rainforest. Chapter 2. Rainforest layers. Tropical layers. Tropical rainforests have layers. The top layer is the emergent layer. Emergent layer. The tops of the tallest trees are in this layer. It's very windy. Eagles and bats live here. The next layer is the canopy. The big branches and leaves of all the trees are here. There are many types of animals in this layer because there's light and lots of foods. Monkeys and toucans live in the canopy. The next layer is the understory. The tops of the small trees are in this layer. It's dark and hot. Jaguars and tree frogs live here. The bottom layer is the forest floor. The roots of all trees are the roots of the trees are in this layer. Many insects live on the forest floor. Some big animals like anteaters live here too. They eat the insects. Discover, the kapok tree is one of the tallest rainforest trees. It can grow up to 70 meters tall. Chapter 3. Plants. Animals and people get lots of food from rainforest plants. Bananas, pineapples, and nuts all grow in the rainforest. Plants. We can make things from rainforest plants too. People make clothes and bags from pineapple leaves. We also use some plants to make medicine. We can use some rainforest trees like the balsa tree for wood. We can use the rubber tree for latex to make rubber. Many rainforest plants are homes for animals, like monkeys, birds, and insects. Some frogs sleep between the leaves of big plants. Some birds and other small animals live in tree holes. They make nests for their babies in the holes. Orangutans sleep in the nest in trees. They make the nest from leaves and branches. Discover orangutans use big leaves as umbrellas when it rains. Chapter 4. Rivers. Tropical rainforests have some of the biggest rivers on earth, like the Mekong River in Asia and the Congo River in Africa. The biggest rainforest river is the Amazon River in South America. The Amazon is about 6,400 kilometers long. Many small rivers go into big forest rivers. More than 1,000 smaller rivers go into the Amazon. Many animals live in rainforest rivers. The Amazon has more than 3,000 types of fish. One example is the piranha. It has big teeth. Anacondas also live here. The anaconda is one of the biggest snakes in the world. People need rainforest rivers too. Rivers give people fish to eat and water. Rivers are also important for travel. Many people travel by boat because there aren't many roads. Chapter 5. Mammals. A mammoth is an animal that breathes air and drinks milk from its mother. Lots of mammals live in the rainforest. Chimpanzees are mammals, and they live in African rainforest. They eat leaves, fruit, insects, and other small animals. Sloths live in the rainforest in Central America and South America. They are the slowest mammals in the world. They eat leaves and fruits, and they sleep for about 18 hours every day. Tigers live in rainforests in Asia. They are the biggest cats in the world. They hunt and eat other big mammals. Fish and birds, they like water and they can swim well. Platypuses live in rainforests in Australia. They hunt underwater and they eat insects, shellfish, and worms. Male platypuses have poisonous stingers on their feet. Chapter 6. Mini beasts. Most of mini beasts in rainforest are insects. The biggest butterfly in the world lives in the rainforest in Papua New Guinea, Australia. It's the female queen Alexandra birdwing. Its wings can be 31 centimeters across. Manatees live in rainforests all around the world. They use camouflage to hide from other animals. They can look like leaves, sticks, or flowers. Many types of beetles live in the rainforest. Rhinoceros beetles have a horn on their heads like rhinos. They are big and strong. Spiders live in rainforest. 2. Tarantulas live in South America rainforest. They are probably the biggest spiders in the world. Their leg can be 30 centimeters long. Discover Tarantulas have 8 eyes, but they can't see very well. Chapter 7. Birds. Some rainforest birds are very colorful. The Australian king parrot has a red head and green wings and a blue tail. It has a yellow circle around each eye. Unseen birds are black, brown, gray, orange, red, and blue. They live in the Amazon rainforest. Their babies have 2 claws on each wing. They use these claws to climb before they can fly. The rainforest birds are big. The female northern cassowary from Papua New Guinea can be up to 2 meters long. It weighs 58 kilograms. It has very big feet and it can't fly. Other rainforest birds are very small. The smallest birds are hummingbirds. They drink nectar from flowers. They can flap their wings very fast, from 50 to 80 times every second. Chapter 8. People. Many different groups of people live in tropical rainforest. The Peenan people live in Sarawak. Sarawak is in Borneo in Asia. The Peenan people travel through the rainforest in families of up to 30 people. Each family has one hut to live in and one smaller hut to sleep in. When they travel, they build new huts. The Peenan people make flour from sago palm trees. They hunt and eat deer, smaller mammals and birds. Sometimes they use blowpipes to hunt. The rainforest is the home of Peenan people, but some other people cut down the trees. The rainforest is different sometimes. The Peenan people can't find the plants and they use for medicine. Sometimes they can't find clean water or food. Chapter 9. Rainforest problems. Tropical rainforests are getting smaller. People cut down the trees to get woods. Then they sell the woods. Lots of furniture, doors, and flowers are made from the woods. Some farmers also cut down rainforest trees. They do this to keep cows on the land or to grow coffee or sugar. And then they can sell the cows coffee and sugar. Trees are good for the soil. When there are no trees, the soil is not very good. The new trees grow more slowly and some trees die. With no trees, rainforest people and animals have no homes. They can't find food and they can't live in the rainforest. Discover. People cut down about 20,000 square kilometers of rainforest every year. This is called deforestation. Chapter 9. Chapter 10. Save the rainforest. How can we save the tropical rainforest? We can buy coffee, sugar, and bananas from farmers who do not cut down rainforest trees. We can buy furniture that is not made from rainforest woods. We can buy recycled paper. This saves the trees because paper is also made from wood. Discover. Sumatran tigers live in the island of Sumatra in Indonesia in Asia. There are only about 250 tigers there. If we save rainforest, we can save tigers. We can teach other people about rainforest and the people that live there. We can teach them about the amazing rainforest plants and river. we can teach them about the special mammals, birds, and mini beasts that live here too. Rainforests are beautiful and important places. Save the rainforests.